Mufti Noman, and all academic Binoria International University, His Excellency Governor Kamran Tesori, His Excellency Ambassador Thailand and Philippines, my colleague, His Excellency Malaysian Consul General Mr. Herman, and His Excellency Consul General Thailand Mr. Narut, educationist Mere Bai Jason, and also Mr. Ishtiaq Beg, or Mr. Majid, Mr. Khan, all business people and also representative from Islamabad, Mr. Rahmat, note figure, all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and all happy graduate students, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me first and foremost to express my deep appreciation and thanks for Mufti Noman for once again give me opportunity to deliver my appreciation to students from Indonesia and your support to Indonesia students. This time is my third visit to graduation on convocation. And to this, I would like to kindly, if you allow me, to ask Indonesian graduate for stand up for a while. Just stand up, Indonesia. Just want to know, Indonesia student. Okay, so we have 22 graduates from Indonesia. Thank you very much. You can have a seat. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to note what the consulate has already collaborated with Jamaah Binoria. First and foremost, we want to give strong support to students and to Binoria by having every year football competition, international football competition, just to give opportunity for them to interact one another. And I would like to congratulate students for Indonesia. I hope it's correct information. The two best students, namely Firor Gulfran Asaifi. Firor, yes, Firor, and also Ahmad Naufal Makmur. Okay. Mabruk for their achievement. Allow me to inform to all of you, Alhamdulillah, since 2022, and I remember when I came here 2021, the main concern of students is about the status of their graduation. So we encourage, we collaborate with Binoria to get recognition from Higher Education Commission, and Alhamdulillah, with that, since 2022, Binoria University has a status to award degree, so every student, Indonesia students especially, they can pursue their own career, their own future by having this recognition. And I would like to thanks to Mufti Noman Naim, for participating in the Indonesia-Pakistan Interfaith Dialogue with sponsor of Indonesian Embassy in Islamabad with the theme Enhancing Religious Moderation and Interfaith Dialogue, facilitated by Indonesia Minister of Foreign Affairs in last 28 November for December 2023. So this is one of the milestone to encourage more people to participate in this collaboration. And I would like, last but not least, we have to thanks to Binoria for support the creation, the establishment of Binoria Alumni Association in Indonesia. Thank you for all the faculty member, staff to support this occasion. And just to make it short, I would like to pray for the Pakistan. I follow the speech from Governor. Pakistan with all the capacity to have 70 countries in this forum, meaning that Pakistan have ability to coordinate more effort with Islam ummah in the world. So Indonesia, Pakistan would like also promote cooperation in Muslim world. So once again, thank you very much, Mufti Noman and all distinguished participants. Once again, Indonesia, Pakistan, Jindabad. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.